Industrial style is all about raw, unfinished elements, and it can create a unique atmosphere in your living room. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to achieve an industrial look, from choosing the right furniture to picking the perfect accessories for your living room. In an industrial living room, the color palette is simple and neutral. For wall paints, stick to colors like gray, white, and black. These colors give a clean and modern look. Exposed brick walls are common and add a rugged touch. If you don't have brick, you can use brick veneer or wallpaper that looks like brick. Concrete finishes are also popular and can be achieved with paint or panels. For accents, use metal finishes like iron or steel, which can be included in furniture or wall decor. Wood accents, especially with a weathered look, can add warmth to the space. This palette creates a functional and stylish environment that highlights industrial elements. In an industrial interior design style, the TV wall or media center should focus on raw and functional elements. Use materials like metal, wood, and concrete to create a rugged and practical look. You can mount your TV on an exposed brick wall or a wall with a concrete finish. Shelving units made of metal pipes and reclaimed wood add both storage and style. These shelves can hold your media devices, books, and decorative items. Keep the design simple and uncluttered. Metal brackets and exposed screws can enhance the industrial feel. Adding a few vintage items like old factory signs or metal containers can give the space character. Always aim for a balance between functionality and the raw industrial look. In an industrial-style living room, the furniture choices are practical and stylish. A sofa or chair in dark leather or durable fabric with a simple design works well. The legs should be made of metal or wood to keep the industrial theme. You can also use reclaimed wood or metal chairs to add to the raw, unfinished look. For the coffee table, look for one made of reclaimed wood or metal. A sturdy wooden table with a metal frame is a perfect choice. It should be functional and fit the industrial aesthetic without being overly ornate. This type of coffee table adds a solid, practical element to your living room. Side tables should also follow the same material guidelines. Metal or wooden side tables that match the coffee table and sofa can create a cohesive look. These tables can hold lamps, books, or other accessories, adding to the industrial feel without cluttering the space. Simple designs and robust materials are key to achieving the right look in your living room. In an industrial-style living room, you'll want to focus on decor that highlights raw materials and a simple, functional design. Look for metal wall art, vintage clocks, and old factory signs to give your space an authentic industrial feel. Shelving made from metal pipes and wooden planks can add both storage and style, perfect for displaying books, plants, and other small items. When decorating your living room in an industrial style, lighting plays a key role. Pendant lights with exposed bulbs are a popular choice. They add a raw, unfinished look that fits perfectly with the industrial theme. You can hang them over coffee tables or in clusters for a dramatic effect. Floor lamps with metal finishes also work well in an industrial living room. Look for lamps with adjustable arms or tripod bases. These add both function and style, providing practical lighting options. Table lamps made of metal or concrete can complement the overall design. Wall-mounted fixtures such as metal sconces can add an industrial touch while saving space. These can be placed beside your sofa or above artwork. You should choose lighting that highlights raw materials and simple, functional designs. For window coverings, opt for roller shades in neutral colors or metal blinds. These options keep the look clean and functional, fitting seamlessly into the industrial aesthetic. If you prefer curtains, choose simple fabrics and solid colors like gray or white to maintain the minimalistic approach. In an industrial-style living room, artwork items are simple yet impactful. You can use large, bold art pieces such as black and white photography or abstract paintings to make a statement. These should be framed in metal or distressed wood to match the industrial theme. Accent walls made of exposed brick or concrete add character and can serve as a focal point in the room. Shelving units made from metal pipes and wooden planks provide both storage and a place to display decorative items. You can use these shelves to show off books, metal sculptures, and vintage items. Incorporating metal and wood decor, such as old factory signs or vintage clocks, can enhance the industrial look. A rug can add warmth and texture to your industrial living room. Stick to neutral colors or simple patterns. These rugs provide comfort without taking away from the overall industrial look. Adding greenery with simple plants like succulents or snake plants in metal or concrete pots can soften the space. Avoid over-decorating. Instead, focus on a few key pieces that add to the rugged, functional feel of the industrial style. By carefully selecting and placing these items, you can create a cohesive and stylish living room. Check out the link in the description below for products that can help you achieve this look. We'd love to hear your thoughts and questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.